This tutorial illustrates combining shape morphing with a motion path. I'm going to start by drawing a shape with some complexity. Okay, I click, I go to the next point, and I keep the mouse depressed and I move the mouse. This gives me curvature. I release, I go to the next point, I click, I move the mouse, gives me curvature. Click, move mouse, click, move mouse, and double click to finish. Okay. Now if I want to change these points, let's say I want to move this point there. So I clicked on the point arrow and I selected the point and I dragged it. And I want to add a curve point here. So I click on Add Curve Point. I click on the line and I drag. Oh, I didn't do that right. That gave me, sorry, that gave me just a regular anchor point. So let me select that and delete it and do it again. This gives me a curve. Okay, good. Now let me morph to here. Drag it. Change the color. Sorry, I was... Okay. And in this frame, so by doing that, I automatically set up linear motion path. And let me select this point here and drag it. So that's the last frame of this shape. Now if I go backwards, okay, what I'm seeing here is a shape produced in between these two shapes caused by linear morphing. And the little dotted lines indicate, I mean the dots, the dashes, indicate that that shape can't be selected and can't be moved. And it has no properties because everything is determined by this shape and by this shape. And I can set how this looks in preferences under motion path. So it gives me tons of options on how to set this up for different object types. I'm just going to go back. Okay, so that one can be selected and moved. Now let's play it. So it's morphing in color, in shape, along that motion path. And I can change this motion path to quadratic. Now let's play it. Okay, I think that illustrates the point.